Hey guys, it's me, Nikkie B, and you're watching a baking day with me. So look what I have done. Yeah, I was in the holiday spirit and I decided to start baking. So to my right, I have a lemon sugar cookie. In the middle, peppermint sugar cookie. OMG. You know you're eating a peppermint cookie when you're with Nikkie B. Also, here is the regular sugar cookie. Regular sugar cookie. Regular. Honey, listen. I'm so excited to package these up and send these out. Sorry. I'm excited. And so, apparently so are the cookies. So the struggle is real. You know my motto, the struggle is real, but the journey is worth it. And guess what? The journey is going to be great as these cookies journey into the center of my tummy. Look at this. Lemon sugar cookie. Isn't that beautiful? Turn it over on the back. Perfectly done. Isn't that gorgeous? And now I'm going for one of these peppermint sugar cookies. These are totally organic. All organic ingredients. Only the freshest and finest ingredients. I'm excited to be sharing these with you. I'm excited to just be back on my grind because, you know, at one point when I was in Japan, I wasn't able to. When I was losing my weight, when I was filming Diet Japan. But now, I'm back. And here is a regular sugar cookie. Look at how decadent, honey. Decadent, thick, and moist. Do you see that sparkle and shine? So I'm excited, guys, and I want to thank you again for taking the time out to view this video. When I tell you the struggle is real, but the journey is worth it, I mean that. It's a struggle figuring out what you want to do with your life. But once you do, I promise you the journey will be worth it. Lemon sugar cookies, peppermint cookies, sugar cookies, and standard sugar cookies. These are all made with organic sugar. Everything is organic. Every single solitary bite. Honey, I want you to just take a bang out of life. And thank you again for tuning in. Happy holidays. Love you guys.